Welcome to Fun Time. Today we're gonna have fun with drum roll, and it's making jewelry. So here's the set of making jewelry. This is for 6 age of children. 2 kids, more than 2 kids can play this by sharing and get together. It has more than 350 beads. Let's open it. I'll just remove the plastic. We have 2 same boxes here and an instruction manual. So let's see the instruction manual first. Let's see what we can make. We can make a necklace, tie the rope, a bracelet, and so many more things they've shown. So let me just think for a minute what I will make. So I've decided to make some earrings first, and these are the things I've got from this set to make earrings, and I've got my platform ready. Okay, work platform, and that's now the parrot earrings are done, and here's how. So again, I've got my workstation ready. I'm making a necklace for myself. Here are the gems beads I'm gonna be using, and this is the thread. So as you can see, I'm done with both of the jewelries, some parrot earrings and a necklace. And look at me, I'm wearing a necklace. Look how pretty it is looking. But I still have a lot of beads and some rope left. I can make a lot of jewelry with these. Aww. But there's one problem. I cannot wear the earrings because I don't have the holes in my ears. guys, I had a lot of fun DIYing my jewelry. Why don't you get the same set and try DIY your jewelry? But remember to share it if you have someone else at home. If you're liking my videos, then press the subscribe button. Till then, bye bye guys. Plop plop. So I have decided to make 2 earrings for 1 earring. Go ahead, just turn it on and I'll go ahead by myself.